Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to enroll in PNC Online Banking. Open the website pnc.com, then click Sign On. On the drop-down window, you will see an option for Enroll in Online Banking. Click on Enroll in Online Banking. To set up your account, verify your identity first. First, select an ID type to confirm your identity. Next, enter your PNC account number or personal debit card number. Then you also need to verify your information. Choose either to enter your PNC debit card PIN, the online access PIN, or to receive a one-time passcode. In this video, I chose to receive a one-time passcode, so I provided my phone number. After that, click on Next. Now, create a PNC user ID and password. Enter it on the fields provided, then click on Next. On this page, read the PNC Online and Mobile Banking Service Agreement. After reading, click on the tick box to confirm that you have read and agree to the agreement. Then click on Accept. Now here, select 3 security questions and provide the answers. Then click on Next. On this page, you will be asked to add a mobile number. If you wish to add one, click on Yes. Then click on Next. Here, enter your mobile number. Then click on Text Passcode. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Verify. Lastly, verify your email address. Then click on Next. So you will receive a code on the email address you provided. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Verify. And now your enrollment is complete. That's how you enroll in PNC Online Banking. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.